Electrochemistry is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with what? The study of interconversion of electrical energy to chemical energy and chemical energy to electrical energy, vice versa, right? And in this electrochemistry chapter, we will study about electrochemical cells, and the electrochemical cells can be classified into two categories. One is voltaic cell, or we can call it as Daniel cell, or we can call it what? Galvanic cell, right? And these cells, they convert what? Chemical energy to electrical energy. And similarly, we will also study about electrolytic cells, and electrolytic cells will convert what? Electrical energy to chemical energy. And the difference is that in both the cases, not difference, in both the cases we will notice redox reaction, but here in this cell we will see spontaneous reaction, whereas in electrolytic cell we will see what? Non-spontaneous redox reaction. Any questions so far? So before going to dive deep into the topic, let us focus a few things what we studied in our previous classes. So if I ask you the question regarding conductors, can you tell me what do you mean by conductor? Any answer?
Conductor is
Yes.
which is a material that allows the passage of electrons through it.
Right. Correct answer. Conductors are the material through which electric current can pass easily. Right. So all the conductors, specifically in electrochemistry, can be classified into two categories. One is metallic conductor, another one is electrolytic conductors, right? And the difference is both it may be metallic conductor or it may be electrolytic conductors. Both will conduct electricity, means current can pass, electric current can pass through it. But the difference is that metallic conductor has free electrons, which works as a conductor, right? And in electrolytic, where we will take solution that is called electrolyte. In electrolyte, we will find ions. Here, the charge carrier will be ions in electrolytic conductors, but here in metallic conductors, the charge carriers are what? Free electrons. Any questions so far? And metallic conductors, generally, they are solid, right? And in this electrolytic conductors, we find in two states, point to be remembered. Either we will find in aqueous state or we will find in molten state. Any question? No. So, generally metallic conductors are found or used in solid state. But in electrolytic conductors, either aqueous solution, means in solution with water, or in molten state. Okay. So, this is a short detail about conductors. Now, let us move to the main topic. So, as we came to know that in electrochemistry, most of the cases we will study about electrochemical cells. So, electrochemical cells can convert either chemical energy to electrical energy or electrical energy to chemical energy, right?